Regina Taryn puts on a tremendous performance in her UFC debut here against Ernesta Karakate. And I don't know if she's going to get the victory, but she takes a fight on 3 days' notice. It's a catchweight fight. At the end of the day, they're equal in significant strikes, 108 to 108. But Ernesta led in head strikes, 86 to 78. So it's going to be up to the judges here, and we'll see which way they go as both fighters come together. Karakate also led 131 to 116 in total strikes. So it looks like it's going to be 30-27 on 2. It's going to be unanimous, 29-28 on the 3rd. For Regina Taryn, Mexico goes crazy as she takes this fight on 3 days' notice and gets the win to move to 8-0. And welcome to the UFC, Regina Taryn, Mexican women's fighter. And this is a catchweight fight, but she gets the win, 8-0 here at UFC Mexico.